Daddy, where is my fucking phone? Kiss my Ross! No man, wait there. Me no see. No man. No, this can't right. No man, this serious. Daddy, what are you doing? Me I look for who you chat to. Cause I can't me. I am talking to you. I want my fucking phone. Oh, alright. Who the blood clot you talking to? You want your phone, right? Well, see your ears are in there. Move your blood clot. I'm going to tell Charlie on your pussy clot. Daddy, the girl that I bought the poom poom from put it on my lip. You see what me I talk about? Me not tell you if you not go buy no poom poom, eh? And then pant up item me Charlie box me. And then go... And... Daddy, what's wrong? I can't breathe. What? Daddy, what's happening? Mister, I can't breathe. Daddy! Daddy, it's okay. I know CPR. Don't put your blood clot mouth on me. Make me dead. But Daddy... I said make me dead! Where you welcome put your poom poom mouth on me? You know what to? Me now bother have no heart attack. Move your blood clot.
Crazy.
Yo, intense.
Nyeng.
Big man thing. Love how rebel but you run up from what the air. Where you say you can't give me a chop.
What you know? Who this?
Me man, footer man.
Suck your mother footer hype. Nyeng.
Little sprat. And that you really gonna make your mouth say. Alright.
Walking up, walking up. Walk up, walking blood clot, or they are making fuck. Walking blood panic bus, tell you city.
Crazy.
Alright, good morning class. I'm Will Smith, your substitute teacher. And I'll be teaching you the months of the year, freshman style. Let's go. Now January, February, March, April, May, June, July, September, October, November, December.
Sir, what about August?
What? Hold on, I'm sorry, what?
Sir, why didn't you say August?
Oh, you don't know what happened to August?
Yes, sir.
See, you're trying to be funny. You're trying to be funny and shit. You got some jokes. Alright, bruh.
No, but sir,
Man, get your bitch ass out of my class, bruh.
Sir, I just...
Listen, get your bitch ass out of my class, man.
Like, what did I do?
Don't be asking me about no August, man.
Crazy.
Panty pink and the pussy ain't stink. My soap is made from almond milk. Nice thick lips and thick pussy lips. These hoes be hating cause the pussy smell like Doritos chips. So finger licking. Pussy on fleek. Barbecue chicken.
Crazy.
Daddy, I left the sheet on the bed.
Your sheet is supposed to be on the bed and not the floor.
Daddy, I left a shit on the bed. I do on the bed.
Oh. So why are you telling me this?
Because you're my father.
Okay. And?
And you're supposed to, like, clean it up. Who the bamba cloth you talking to? Daddy. Go clean up your own shit. You know, say you all look a spiteful wretch. You know what? If me have to go clean that up, me go push your head in it and make you name it. So go and go do it your bamba cloth self. Hi. Come here. Me notice from the other day you get feisty. But let me tell you something. Charlie or no Charlie, me will box you in your bamba cloth. Now move. Nasty Ross.
Crazy.
Daddy, can I be a lesbian now?
You're already a lesbian, Jimmy.
I am? How come?
Lesbians like girls and you like girls too. The only difference is that you're a boy, but you're a lesbian nonetheless. Congratulations.
Okay, I'm a lesbian. But Daddy, what do lesbians do?
They play with each other, Jimmy.
Oh, you mean like they play Uno together?
Yes, like, take that for example.
Okay, Daddy. Because Cousin Damien said that all lesbians do is skin out each other's pussy and... Hey, shut up, you bembaclaw! But Daddy, I was just telling you what Cousin Damien said. I don't care! March your Ross from in front of me! You're going to kill me off? You're being a pussy. Who the bembaclaw you talking to?
Crazy.
When I see my picture, them a double tap. Double tap this, them a double tap. Them a wonder if I really queen that. When the chat, I may not take it back. Full of hits, and you know some suck. Full of chat, I may not take it back. Them a wonder if I really queen that. Them a wonder.
Crazy.
Well, come on and my banger. Pick up dial. One of my client. Okay, I'm going an idea.
Hello, Mr. Parker speaking.
You are the winner of $1 million.
Wow, is that so?
But you know, you're going to have to go send 35,000 US to get the 1 million US.
Is that so? Okay, no problem, but can you do something for me?
Yeah, man, sure, anything.
Go suck your mother and come off of my bumbleclot phone. You think you can rob Jamaica and a foreign puss?
Bumbleclot. Cha-cha. How me I get Vybzkeem money now, man?
Intense, beg you some fuck no?
Rebel, go one side, Rebel. Me can't fuck you now, me stress. Oh, you can fuck some man. What deal?
It's alright.
Bumbleclot. Nyeng.
Crazy.
Dancehall combat. Choose your player.
Uncle D-Man.
I swear to God.
Whoosh!
Auntie, I'm saving you. Blame them.
Condemn. I want to hear about.
My God, I ain't nobody like me.
6'3" out here and I made a believer.
Oh.
Let's see what your real boss character lock. Let me have to go pay for free man, or something. I'm choose conscience. Crazy.
Comedian combat. Choose your player.
Minerva!
Backs cover. Jesus Christ. Bro, what do you mean?
Oh,
No, sir.
Kuya!
Nah, use that one here. Nope, nah, use that one here either.
I'm the paradise bird. Marvin now no bed.
Yes, brother.
World dog.
Tap 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 tap.
Crazy. It's such a crazy year, it's 2020. But Michael Jackson, what do you think about this black awareness that's been going on?
This whole thing need to stop. I'm tired of it. Black Lives Matter.
There you hear yourself from Ghetto Michael Jackson, Black Life Matters.
Yeah, man, so you know, say this need to stop, you know. No racist. You see, whether you're black or you're white, a blood run through all of you, you see. So all we do a peace and love, right?
You still gonna be my baby. It don't matter if you're black or white. Hey, I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna.
Jimmy, I want you to take... Jimmy? 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 Jimmy, wake up, Jimmy. Jimmy! 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 Oh, God. Call 911. Jimmy! Jimmy, wake up now. Oh, God, him not breathe. Jimmy! Jimmy, wake up. Wake up, Jimmy. Please. Jimmy. Jimmy, say something.
Come, Jimmy, wake up, please. Say something. Jimmy, please, say something. Jimmy! Jimmy? Yeah, come. Jimmy! What is hair doing in your throat?
Daddy, I can explain.
So you mean some midday here? I think see a Charlie box in your blood clot. When a pubic hair in your throat nearly kill you?
Please, Daddy.
Don't pussy clot talk to me. I wish girl catch. You know, if me did ever know say a pubic hair in your throat, Jimmy, me left you right. That's so you know. Bumble clot, man.
Daddy, please. Some more hair is still left in my throat.
Me not care, make it kill your bamba clot. You nyam too much.
Crazy.